introduction, our group have decided to form a new property consultant firm. We established a property consultancy firm that have been given the name Iworth, Valuer and Consultant Sdn Bhd. Under the board of Valuer, appraiser, estate agent and property manager with registration number is VE 10462 and under SSM with registration number 983671W. Our firm located at 2nd floor Ipoh Soho, Jalan Sultan Iskandar Shah, Ipoh, Perak. We provide a comprehensive property valuation service, include financial, disposal, acquisition, auction, compulsory purchase or acquisition, insurance, rating, tax, corporate and investment portfolio. Therefore, our valuation service are completely supported by the cutting-edge technology. Precondition to form a property consultant firm. There are several preconditions that must be complied with before open a firm. Based on the Section 23, the registered valuer appraiser in the valuation firm must be a partnership or the director of a corporate body that registered under the board. Next, the property consultant allowed to conduct and develop their skill by conducting a business in any form of business entity. Next, the employers and partnership of company must be registered valuer, registered appraiser, registered estate agent, and property manager. Therefore, the registered valuer and other who are registered as sole proprietor, partner, or director who have more than one firm must give up an equity and need to choose only one firm. In addition, the registered valuer for valuation firm must be on the board of director for corporation or limited by share. There is the company logo for Iworth, Valuer and Consultant Sdn Bhd. This is about the corporate information. Name of company is Iworth, Valuer and Consultant Sdn Bhd. The company was established on 1st June 2022. The type of business is property valuation and property consultant. Therefore, the banker and facility are Bank Islam, Maybank and Bank Simpanan Nasional. Our company status is 100% Bumiputra. Therefore, the organisation chart starts from the director, which is Nurul Izani binti Razali. Our human resource and administration department is Nur Hafina binti Nazar. Valuation department is Nur Nabila binti Azhar. Finance department is Saleh bin Abu Bakar and marketing department is Nur Sabrina binti Muhammad Yusuf. Next, about the partner involved. Nurul Izani binti Razali is the executive director at Iworth, Valuer and Consultant Sdn Bhd that involved as a partner. The academic qualification is Bachelor of Building and Property Management Homes. She able to organize plan and tackling solution for any problem. Their experience is work as assistant direct manager at AMR Holding, senior executive, registered estate agent, registered valuer and valuation officer. Next, the second partner involved is Nur Nabila binti Azhar, who involved as a chief of valuation department at Iworth, Valuer and Consultant Sdn Bhd. The academic qualification is Bachelor in Real Estate Management and Auction, Homes. She is able to make a decision making and be a leadership. The experience are creative officer at the Panasonic Malaysia, registered estate agent, probationary valuer, and assistant valuation officer at Majlis Perbandaran Manjung.
Next, I will explain on the registration procedure. Firstly, application for registration of a firm. There are 4 application forms which are Form N, Form S, Form T and Form B. The location and address for the firm only can be at commercial premise. The application registration must be accompanied with a letterhead sample of the firm. Secondly, submit the application form. All the application form must be submitted to SSM, which are Company Commission Malaysia. The registration only valid for 1 year but no more than 5 years per registration. Thirdly, registration fee. A single registration fee costs 1,000 ringgit. And lastly, notice of registration. Company Commission Malaysia SSM will issue a notice of registration once the application approved. Next, location of registered office. Our proposed firm is located at Ipoh Soho, Jalan Sultan Iskandar Shah, Ipoh, Perak, and it's on second floor of Ipoh Soho. The reason why we chose Ipoh Soho, Perak because there is the area of commercial and business premise as the requirement by board and SSM for valuation firm must be located only at commercial area.
Next is on working space and layout space plan. Our property consultant firm has 2 floors. For ground floor, we have accountant's room, executive director's room, 2 valuation executive room, operator's room for photostat machine and shredded paper machines, reception counter and waiting area for client. For first floor, we have pantry, break area, meeting rooms and cubicles for workers. Next is on office administration and staff requirement. The number of the new staff that our property consultancy firm will recruit are 9 staff, consists of executive director, valuation executive, assistant valuer, accountant, marketing executive, and office administrator. The executive director must have qualification on valuation, estate agency, property management, auction and project management, such as Bachelor of Property Management or equivalent. He must be registered valuer and a member of Royal Institute of Surveyors Malaysia. The director also must have at least 5 to 6 years experience in valuation service. The valuation executive, they must have qualification in Bachelor in Valuation or equivalent. On the recruitment of the assistant valuer, they must have at least diploma in real estate or equivalent. For accountant, the candidate must have Bachelor in Accounting or equivalent and must have at least 3 years experience in the accountant field. The candidate for the marketing executive, he must have Bachelor in Marketing or any related field. He must have at least 3 years experience in the marketing field. For office administrator, the requirement for this position is he must have at least diploma in office management or administrative management. And also, he must be a part of the team with excellent interpersonal and communication skill, as well as Microsoft Office program competency.
Our company director is Miss Izani. Her role is to manage the company day-to-day operations. Next, Miss Hafina is the head of human resources and administration for our firm, where her role is ensuring that the firm is operationally efficient and effective in HR department. Head of the valuation department is Miss Nabila, where this department is responsible in all valuation work. Then, head of the finance department is Mr. Saleh, and finance department is responsible of a company financial statement. Lastly, head of the marketing department is Miss Sabrina, and this marketing department role is to design and implement a company marketing strategies. Next is example of form. First is a form N, second is a form P, and lastly is the form for the professional indemnity. There are 4 items in marketing plan. First is market research. It involves market size and competitor analysis. There are 2 types of market size. First is a total addressable market, TAM, which means the overall market demand for a service the overall market demand for our service is the whole Perak. Meanwhile, serviceable available market sum is the proportion of the total addressable market that can be reached. So, for now, our service can only reach the district of Perak Tengah. Our company competitor is Azmi & Co, Intra Property Consultant, and Sulaiman & Co, Property Consultant. And those companies have strong network relationship with their client. Next, there are 3 target market for our firm, which are individual, financial institution, and corporate clients. Our main target market is a financial institution, so our firm provides two marketing goals, which are to attract our target market, to appoint us to be their panel of valuer, and to achieve client expectation of our service through marketing. There are four marketing strategies to attract our main target market. First is showcase the firm expertise. Our firm needs to involve high profile and successful project in order for us to make our firm to market our firm. Next, we can make connection with other professional service provider such as lawyer, banker, and accounting firm. We also can make connection by giving continuing professional education (CPE) program or join an event that related to our industry. Then we also have to get business referrals. Business referral happen if we give a positive client experience, and word of mouth referral will automatically occur. Lastly, create a website is one of the marketing strategy because many professional service clients conduct research online. So high quality website is essential.
As a conclusion, Iworth Value and Consultant Sdn Bhd is a firm that provides valuation service. There are many requirements that we need to fulfill, such as precondition, registration procedure, and more to propose a valuation firm. Iworth Value and Consultant Sdn Bhd target market is individual, financial institution, and corporate client, but our main target will be financial institution as our panel valuer for prospective financial institution. There are four marketing strategies which are showcase the firm expertise, make a connection with other professionals outside the firm, get business referral, and create a firm website to achieve our objective.